Almost caught it on a. Almost caught. Let's see what we got here. Woo! Look, he likes to pull. Let's see what we got here. Oh, he's going into the bushes. Oh, he's got into the bushes. Let's see what we got here. We tried to keep him away from the bushes. Maybe he got loose. I don't know. He looked like he might have gotten loose. He's trapped. He's trapped in a bunch of bushes. All right, let's see. No, he's not. Well, I like to dig into those bushes. Yeah, nice little bass.